Om Namah Shivaya. So today we will going to visit to Mukteshwar Dham, which is situated in village Dhong, district Pathankot, nearby Ranjit Sagar Dam. So let's go and catch the temple. This is road number 2 to visit to Mukteshwar Dham, in which we have to cross the village Dhong first, then to Mukteshwar Dham. So here we reach outside from the village to the Mukteshwar Dham. From road number 3 we will go to Mukteshwar Dham. It is 1 kilometer far away from road number 3. Here we are on road number 3. The work is under progress of this road, and you can see the village Dhong that side, and we are outside from the village. So there are 3 ways to go to the Mukteshwar Dham. So this is road number 3. The work of this road is under progress. So now we are in the parking area of the Mukteshwar Dham. Come and have a ride of Mukteshwar Dham. Mukteshwar Dham after crossing 260 stairs. This is shoe depositing house. This side there is Asti Ghat where we can do as immersion. So now you can see Jammu and Kashmir that side and Punjab this side. So this is Ravi River and this is bathing point. This is for males and that is for females. Before visiting to the temple, I would like to introduce you the first history of the temple. That this temple was created and built by legendary Pandavas during the 12th year of their exile. After returning from village Dasuha after worshipping Mata Chintapurni, they were very much attracted to this place and they stayed here for many years. They built here and they carved here 5 caves. One is diminished due to Ranjit Sagar Dam project. These caves are 5,005 years, 100 years old. It is believed from that time. They spent here their Agyatwas, and it is believed that the Mukteshwar Dham name is derived from the word Mukti, from where one can get relief from their sins. Of Lord Mahavira, which was made by legendary Pandavas. This represent the symbols of blood beings and they were very much attracted. They didn't brought it from outside, but they made it with the help of these mountains. As you can see, all the views of the temple, they are from that time only, which was made by the legendary Pandavas. As you can see, these rocks are so hard and they are unbreakable. So how in these mountains they made this beautiful pictures and beautiful devotions of Lord Mahavira. No Devia's idols which were crafted in the mountains by the legendary Pandavas. It is known as the Shilpkari, which was made by legendary Pandavas. So this is the idol of Lord Nandi, where in backside you can see it is the tail of the Nandi is holded by Lord Bhim. So there's some other crafted items. This is Lord Bhairanath, as you can see the board, and here is the idol of Lord Mata Kamala Devi. So this is a sitting place of Lord Yudhishthir, and this is Akhanduna, which is known as the holy fire. So this is as the kitchen of the Draupadi Mata. So this is one of the another cave, which is now the Bhandar Kaksh. Now we are in meditation room. So as you can see the views of the meditation room, to support this room, that pillar was used and this was made by legendary Pandavas. This is the idol by legendary Pandavas, that how we have to sit and how we have to meditate. So this is Jantra. Along with that, I would like to introduce you to the most worshipped place where the Pandavas used to sit and used to meditate under this chakra. So these are some of the signs which were left by the legendary Pandavas under the stones. So these two caves are interconnected with each other, and this is the way to going from one cave to another. As you can see this man, how we have to go through one cave to another. So that it is believed that during that time they used to go through this. So this is another cave which is known as Pandavupasna Kaksh. On the occasion of Mahashivaratri, Sombavati, Avavasya and Vaisakhi, millions of people every year used to visit, as you can see. Mukteshwar Dham is facing a danger from Viraj Dam project. Within upcoming 20 months, the work of Viraj Dam project will be completed and we will lose the identity of the Mukteshwar Dham forever. Although Shapurkandi Dam project is trying and they are saving to save the Mukteshwar Dham, but they are working on their own proposal as they don't wanted to do work under the water just to save their money. They are practicing only to save that cave only, but if this happens so then the other places of the Mukteshwar Dham like Asti Ghat, Bhating Point and all the other places will not be with us. As Shapurkandi Viraj Dam project stated that it is not possible, but that we know that nothing is impossible. So the chairman sir, Mr. Bhim Singh, made it a report along with all the other details from an international company, and they sent it to the chief engineer so that the work should be done with their own proposal according to their own proposal. The chairman sir of Mukteshwar Dham, Mr. Bhim Singh, stated that the wall should be constructed from that mountain to that mountain. And they stated that the wall should be constructed under the water, but the Viraj Dam project is saying that it is not possible, as we all know that nothing is impossible if we want to do any work. So this temple is managed by Mukteshwar Mahadev Prabandhak Committee, and now along with me there is the chairman of Mukteshwar Mahadev Prabandhak Committee, Mr. Bhim Singh.